Inhale back to warrior 2, triangle pose. Straight your left leg, reach your left hand forward, left hand down, right hand up. Breathe now. 5, 4. Lilia, I don't want you to bend and I don't want you to fold to the right side. You should be lengthening your spine forward. Lilia, come up first, Lift your left hand up, reach your left hand to the front of your room. Reach more, you're not reaching. Reach more, and then fold. Put your hands to your big toes. You're just moving your shoulders. You're not dropping your body. 2, drop your body. 1, slowly coming back up to standing. Put your hands on your hip. Drive that right hip forward. You square hip now. Pull your right leg in comfortable distance. Concentrate on the core, yes? More physical, yes? Any other questions? Okay, for Lilia, let's see if I can actually adjust my camera. For triangle pose, yes? Triangle pose. A lot of people are doing this. A lot of people are doing this. See this bending? This is what you're doing, okay? You just, hopefully you drop your body down. No, you try to reach forward. Look at the difference. I'm lengthening, I'm not bending. Reaching, and grab my toes, yes? Does it make sense? Yes, I'm looking at you right now. Reach your right hand forward, more. Everybody look at her, more. I want you to touch the wall, you're not touching the wall. Reach. And then now, don't move your shoulder. Move your hip, holding down. Yes, more. Don't move your hand, move, yes. Come down. Yes, more. And lengthen the top of your head forward. More. Grab your big toe. Now. Yes. And lift your left hand up. Yes. So what I told you is the way, yes? If you see all the beautiful yogis, they're doing it, that's what they do. Okay? They don't do the bending thing. They don't do the weird thing. Yes? So, does it make sense?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
That will expedite your practice for a year.
Okay.
Believe me. Once you've done this basic stuff, you understand other stuff.
Okay.
Yes? All right. Excellent. Amma, thank you for coming. Everybody, thank you for coming.
See you guys in the next class.